In this video, we will learn how to create portrait photo circle effect in Adobe Illustrator. So first, remove the background of your photo. Now go to the toolbar. Click on the ellipse tool. Drag a circle by holding the Shift key on the keyboard. Change the fill color. Then change the stroke color. Make the stroke color size 20 pt. Place the circle on your photo. Then click on View. Go to Rulers. Click on Show Ruler. Set the guideline of the circle. Make 4 copies of the circle. To copy, hold down the Alt key on the keyboard and drag the circle. Now take a circle and place it on the face of the photo. Now select these 2 circles together. Click on Window from the menu bar. Click on Pathfinder. Click on the Unite icon. You can see that the 2 circles have been turned into one shape. Now select this shape and the photo together. The shape must be above the photo. Click the right button on the shape. Click on Make Clipping Mask. Now put another circle under the photo. Now select the last circle. Make fill color none. Then click on Object from the menu bar. Click on Expand. Click the OK button. Now place this circle on the photo. Click on Erase tool from the toolbar. Now remove the color. As you can see, the circle photo effect is created. Thanks for watching the video.